guys, it's Sam with WTI. I just have to tell you about this Dyson V8 Absolute vacuum. It is such an amazing vacuum. It's so easy to use. It is a stick vacuum, so there's no cords to fumble with. It holds a pretty good charge. Another thing I like is it has an option for suction. So it has max here or just regular. So depending on the mess you're trying to clean up, you can choose that option there. This comes with 3 different pieces to go on the front. And they are wonderful tools to get into deep crevices there and to maybe clean up some upholstery as well. I love it. It's so easy to empty the trash too. All you do is pull this button and lift up, and it just dumps right out there. And it holds a pretty good charge, and it is easy as well to charge. We use this every day. I think as a mom with a kid, it's nice to have something that you can just grab and go very quickly and not have to worry about plugging it in and all the extra steps that for some reason make life harder. So if you are looking for a new vacuum, I definitely recommend this one, and that is my point of view.